humble adorations unto the holy feet of most worshipful Swami Sivachidananda Ji Maharaj, direct disciple of Pratasmaraniya Swami Sivananda Ji Maharaj, revered Director Professor Sarat Chandra Dikshit Sir, revered Sri Mohanlal Agrawala Ji, the initiator of this program, my dear colleague and friend Professor Gyanendra Mishra Sir, esteemed professors of this esteemed institution, and my dear students. The book Youth, Arise, Awake and Adopt the Right Path of Life in 15 volumes is a book of compilation from many of the books written by two great, illumined and world-renowned modern saints, Sri Swami Sivananda Saraswati Ji and Sri Swami Chidananda Saraswati Ji, of the International Divine Life Society, Rishikesh. It contains 24 lessons on different topics on the subject of life building and successful living, which our modern students need the most, such as good physical health, powerful mind, noble character, ethical conduct, celibacy, Indian culture, real identity of human beings, true purpose of human life, living of righteous life or ethical value, achievement of material prosperity or economic value, fulfillment of vital world desires or vital value, attainment of liberation of soul or spiritual value, yoga and Vedanta, spiritual preceptor, company of saints, study of holy scriptures, divine life, spiritual practices, unity of religions and world peace, etc. These books also contains many more writings such as life building and successful living, value education, Sivananda literature, etc., which are very useful for the modern students. This is a comprehensive, all-inclusive and encyclopedic book for the modern students. In the absence of life building, character building and man-making education through moral, ethical, religious and spiritual education known as value education for our students in the modern schools, colleges and universities, this single book set can most eminently meet all their present requirements. Therefore, our modern students can very well study these books as textbooks, get guidance on how to build their life properly and live the same successfully and derive immense benefits for themselves. Next, the book God's Unique Gifts to Modern Mankind, Swami Sivananda and Swami Chidananda Literature, in 2 volumes, contains the writings of the great, illumined and world-renowned modern saint Sri Swami Sivananda Saraswati, the founder of International Divine Life Society, Rishikesh. Those writers speak about the uniqueness of Sri Swami Sivananda Saraswati and about the uniqueness of Sivananda literature. These books have been prepared with special emphasis on value education as well as the messages of Sri Swami Sivananda to the modern students, teachers and professors and universities and colleges. It also contains the compiler's 3 write-ups on life building and successful living, value education, those are moral, ethical, religious and spiritual education, and modern students, spiritual literature, Swami Sivananda and Swami Sivananda literature, which are for immense benefits of the modern students. They should first study these 3 write-ups before studying the book Youth, Arise, Awake and Adopt the Right Path of Life in 15 volumes. In the meanwhile, the second revised, recast and enlarged edition of the book Youth, Arise, Awake and Adopt the Right Path of Life have been published in 16 volumes and uploaded in the Internet Archive. Therefore, the modern students can study the said books in the Internet Archive by searching the same therein. They can search the book in the following way. You can jot down this, access the Google from internet, log in archive.org, then click advanced search. A book of fields will appear on the screen. Then type Mr. Mohanlal Agrawala in the field creator. Then click search. The above books in 16 volumes and also other books of Mr. Mohanlal Agrawala ji in PDF format will be displayed.